Hello and welcome to today's installment of the series. I actually want to start a mini series and start talking about how the web works. Um, Maybe um, for the next couple of days, I will be talking about how the web works, how websites are built, and what they mean for you, your brand, your business, how you can use them, and factors to consider to know if you actually need one or if your online presence, however it is now, is sufficient. So, in a world where um, the internet is almost never going to go away, many of the things, communication we see happening in real time, happen online. And for some individuals and businesses, having a social media profile, social media account is sufficient. Um, have you ever experienced this thing where you see a very popular public figure and maybe something happens, they lose their social media account, and this is only possible because those social media accounts, although they are in your name, you do not own the rights to them. The company, be it X, formerly Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, own those platforms. So if you violate any of the terms and conditions, or for whatever reason they decide as a private company, yeah, they could decide to actually take your page or yeah, profile. They could decide to take it down. Owning a website for individuals can be that breather to have your own corner of the digital world. Um, think of it as your own online residence that you own and control in totality. Yeah. So how the web works is that there are special kinds of computers called servers. And what these servers do is they allow you to store and save your files on the internet. Uh, Websites basically it's a collection of files, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and these are all files. And we save all of this to create whatever website you see. For instance, www.maputa.org, maputa.org is called a domain name hosted on a particular server somewhere. And in that server is a collection of files that actually make up the website you see when you visit the URL. Yeah. So, for you, how do you know if it's time to get a website? You want to take your online persona very serious and have this aura of credibility that people could look you up and go and see a collection of things you've done. For creatives, an online portfolio is wonderful. You can own the domain name for where this is hosted. You have total control of it. You don't have total control of your social media account, but you can own your own domain and host your own website with whatever hosting provider you so choose. Yeah, there are a number of them, a number of them. I'll not be mentioning names now. Probably in subsequent series, I would give some recommendations of things hosting providers have used that are really reliable that I can actually recommend. Also, yeah, we talk about websites, how they're built. For some, you might decide that you want to build every single part of it from coding it yourself, or you could decide to use a tool or a framework. There are a number of tools and options you have available. There's WordPress, there's Framer, there is Webflow, there is Squarespace, there is Wix. It is endless. The possibilities, in fact, new tools keep getting invented and invented to make the process of creating websites easy. Yeah, uh, you can literally build your own space without even knowing a single line of code. There are visual editors that allow you to visually modify how your website looks. Yeah. Um, in the next episode in this series, we'll talk more about the importance of having total control of your online presence, what it means for you, your brand, and your business. I've been Bright Jamaica. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.